Hey, Lady J, back with another video. I'm out and about. Thought I'd just come on here and do a video. But I have to get followers first. That way I can go live and then I can do my talk show. I can't really do no talk show just like by just talking to the camera. I have to get live, get people before I can go live. That way we can see what we want to talk about and stuff like that. I could get on here and talk about what I want to do. But talking into the camera and talking live to people that see you and then they come in, they got questions or they got opinions, stuff like that. That's what I'm trying to do. But then again, I might not do no talk show because I've been on here for 4 years in and out. And I only got 229 subscribers. I don't know, sometimes I wonder that, is this for me? I don't have nothing else to do. I can't work, because I'm unable to work because I got gout in my hips. I got arthritis all through my body, my hands, my legs, hips. Gout and arthritis ain't no joke. So I just thought I'd be like, okay, I'm going to go do me a YouTube channel, do me a TikTok channel, do me a Facebook, all that stuff. But I'm 59 years old, and sometimes I'll be like, I don't know, maybe I just don't do nothing, Don't do nothing, because a lot of people don't really probably want to watch no older person unless they older. Ain't no young people, They watch young people with all that madness, all that crazy dancing, all that shaking, That's what they want to see. An older person get on here, you could talk to the older person, somebody your age, But I think it's a lot of young people on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. There's a lot of young people on there. It's not that many probably older people. Everybody is young, Not that many older people. So I'm thinking about not just, I don't think I want to do no talk show. I think I'll just keep doing the videos, what I'm doing, and I'm going to keep doing that, I'm going to keep doing that. So I'm not going to do no talk show no more, y'all. Subscribe to my channel, like and share the videos. And y'all have a blessed day.